Hey guys, we are back again, and we are back for one last time regarding the CA final old syllabus. I'm really thankful for the people who are commenting in my videos saying that they have cleared it this attempt or they got these many marks. I feel so proud and I feel so honored and I feel kind of an accomplished person when I read those comments. But again, at the same time, I get some WhatsApp messages from my friends and my viewers saying that sir, I couldn't get good marks in costing or I couldn't get the aggregate. So this video is meant to say that I'm with you for CA final old syllabus costing. I'm completely with you. So what you're gonna do, Palato, like I'll not be teaching anything right now, and there is no need for you to learn anything new at this junction. Like the subject is going away. So what you can do, or what I'm trying to say here is, we will create a closed group wherein we will be testing ourselves on a weekly basis. Example, we will be creating a group on Microsoft Teams, and we'll be meeting on a weekly basis. And I'm expecting serious students who are really like, I want to crack this time. I'm expecting only those students to join. It's not a test, or it's not like just देखना है क्या होता कि it's not for those people. It's only for the serious viewers and serious followers and who are like, I want to clear it off in this attempt, but I'm really struck with the costing. I want to get tested on costing. I'm not writing exams. So what you're gonna get in this closed group is that we will meet once in a week, and I'll be reading a question, and I'll be asking a person to like, how do you interpret this question? I mean, how do you start this question? It's as if you're writing an exam. It's instead of taking a paper and writing on yourself 100 marks paper on a weekly basis is extremely tough. I understand that. So what we will do there is, we'll read a question, and I'll ask each one of you to analyze how you answer that question. What has been given in the question, what has been asked in the question, what you make out of it, what is the real pulse of the question, how do you start it. So when you can understand the question in its entirety, and when you know you have a thinking process that sir इसमें ये पूछ रहा है, इसमें ये कुछ twist देना चाह रहा है, तो I gonna tackle this issue with this understanding. So if you are able to analyze in your head, this is how I gonna do it, I'm very much sure that you're going to do it. So the basic funda here is that I'm not teaching everything for the first time, or I'm not teaching everything entirely. It's only I'm going to test what you already know it. Okay. So for this, I'll not be charging anything. I'll not be taking even a single rupee from you. It's absolutely free. But the only thing I want is that extremely serious students should join it and make best use of it. And I get some queries saying that, sir, can we have a WhatsApp group? Can we have some other group? So I'm not in favor of forming any WhatsApp groups, because that is leading to something else. So it's only a Microsoft Teams app. You just forward your email address to me. I'll make a closed group wherein we interact with each other on a weekly basis. We'll try to understand what problems you're facing in terms of each subject and what support that you need it. Okay. So do you need any chart? If one of your members is having a good chart of like DT or international taxation or some GST, you can share that small chart to everybody in that closed group. Everybody will get benefit out of it. So it's like a self-help group. You will be helping to your own self. But my what I am going to do is I am going to help you in terms of your costing only. I'll be testing your costing. I'll be testing your transfer pricing. I'll read the question. I'll ask you how you going to tackle this. I'll take a question of like last 5 years back. जो भी question आया था उसमें देख के एक बार I'll just read it. You have to apply yourself and tell me, sir, एक question में एक trickiness है तो मेरे को I will be starting this question like this. So I'm not testing you on how you start your question or paper लेके पेन से पूरा डब्बा मार के like how x y z, not like that. Just explain me what the question is asking us, and tell me how you're gonna do that. If you are not able to come up with a solution of how you are gonna start the answer, which means that you're not going in line with what is required. Okay, we will be doing it for all the chapters like EMMA, like whatever the chapters that we have. Just on a weekly basis, we'll say this is the topic. We will be meeting on a particular day. Get ready for it. I'll take any question from any corner. I'll just project my screen. I'll read it, and you should be telling, so sir, this is a question. This is the trickiness of it. So if you are able to do that, then our preparation is going well, and we will be doing it for all the students. I'm not expecting huge crowd. Even if it is for 4 people or 5 people, everybody should get benefited, and everybody should clear the attempt. Okay, so it is not for entertainment, or it's not for just fun sake. It's not for paid services. It is only for the people who are like seriously they want to clear it off. We are there. I'm there to help you as much as I can. Okay, thanks for watching. Looking for your response. I'll be forwarding I'll be giving my number in the description. You can forward your email address there, and I'll be making a group out of it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.